Hello, I am Ahmed Ahmed. I will speak of how connect fiware platform to freeboard. First, we should have a fiware account to be able to access cloud portal, which provide us different types of image. I can launch it and use in different purpose. In our case, we will launch the latest version of Orion BSP image R5.4. Should put its name, so I will choose Orion 2. And the flavor I choose as medium. You may choose any types. Now I want to create new key pair. My name is freeboard connection. I download it and choose default security group. This is summary of my request. I will launch instance. My instance is being launching now. During this, I will edit the security group, adding two new port 1002.6. This port is responsible for accepting requests coming to Orion from any different source, and 22. This port is responsible for SSH connection, which able me to connect to Orion from any other machine. And port 80. I will add and associate IP address. After this, I see my instance is active and have its IP address. If I want to connect an instance, I have different ways. If I want to use Windows and Ubuntu, as my machine is Ubuntu, I should use this command and this command for key pair. For this command first. And this command I will modify it to my case. Because this IP in my known host, so I need to update my known host. Sorry for this. Now finally I can access the Orion from my machine. After this, I should, in the prerequisite, I make Orion in its stable version. So I should put this to commands to install the 1.7 Orion version. After this step, I need to create entity in Orion. My entity request should have an IP address of Orion and port, and fiware service path. We will see later what's important. Entity itself have an ID, type, different attributes, here temperature and pressure. Each attribute have a value and type. we will see now. The Orion is updated to the latest version. I will run script from my machine to create entity. I will query to see if it created successfully. As I see, it's created successfully. Now I want to update it. I will update temperature, but it is 20. I can use different ways to update my entity, but I will use the updating manually to simplify this. Now I will need to connect to freeboard. I will start from the beginning. I will add new page called freeboard or any name. Now I should add new data source. I have different types of data source, but I care with fiware Orion. The name is Orion. Host and port here, IP address of Orion and the port 1026 without HTTP. Fiware service and fiware service bus, that's important. I need them, so I should put in the header of create entity. Service bus, I should put backslash. Token, put it as token. Type, entity type, choose room, ID, room 1. Refresh every 1 second. The connection done successfully. During this, if I see last update every 1 second, I have now to add new pane. Each pane have different types. I will use text. Title, temperature. Sorry for this. I will add new value, temperature, sparkline. And if now want to update the temperature manually and see what happened, it will happen. Sorry, switch update temperature, and may add new pane for the pressure. The same concept. I want to update manually this. Now I can connect the fiware Orion to freeboard from scratch and send updates manually and seeing the changes in freeboard. Thank you.